Good morning, students. So again, we will continue some more problems based on the matrices. Now here, problem number 31st. That is a word problem. 3-mark question. Now read it carefully. A trust fund has rupees 30,000 that must be invested in two different types of bonds. The first bond pays 5% interest per year, and the second bond pays 7% interest per year. Using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide rupees 30,000 among two types of bonds if the trust fund obtain an annual total interest of rupees 1800 and of rupees 2000. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ 30,000 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಆ 30,000 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅದು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪೇಸ್ 5% ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ ಇಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5% ಪರ್ annum ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ನಾವು invest ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 7% interest per year. Okay. Now using matrix multiplication, determine how to divide rupees 30,000 among two types of bonds. ಎರಡು type of bond ನಾವು invest ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If the trust fund obtain an annual total interest of rupees 1800, ಒಂದರೊಳಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ annual total amount ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ 1800 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ 2000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಓಕೆ ನೌ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ನೌ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಸೊ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ let the amount invested in the first type of bond rupees say x and total amount is 30,000 therefore the amount invested in the second type of bond rupees how much 30,000 minus x because total amount is 30,000 ಆ 30,000 ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು so let us assume that the amount invested in first type of bond rupees say x and 200 ಅದರೊಳಗೆ amount invested in second type of bond be rupees 30,000 minus x now according to the question now by given data according to the question using matrix multiplication first type of bond amount invested here rupees x second type of bond amount rupees 30,000 minus x in another matrix the first bond pays 5% per year first type of bond in x amount invest ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 5% means 5/100 and second type of bond amount that is pays 7% interest per year 7/100 is equal to so the trust fund obtain an annual total interest of rupees 1800 first question rupees 1800 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ rupees 2000 per annum ನಮಗೆ rupees 2000 ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆ 30,000 ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ that is the question okay now this is the matrix multiplication now multiply those two so how to multiply operate row 1 column x into 5/100 5x/100 plus 30,000 minus x into 7/100 30,000 minus x into 7/100 is equal to 1800 right then simplify this implies LCM is here 100 okay now here 5x plus 30,000 into 7, 22 lakh 10,000. Right? Okay. Then minus 7x is equal to 1800. Then further simplify, this implies 5x minus 7x or 2 lakh 10,000 minus 2x is equal to cross multiply 1 lakh 80,000. Okay? Then further simplify, minus 2x is equal to 1 lakh 80,000 minus 2 lakh 10,000. Okay, so this implies minus 2x is equal to 1 lakh 80,000 minus 2 lakh 10,000. How much? That is 30,000 minus 30,000. Divide by minus 2x is equal to minus 30,000 divided by minus 2, that is 15,000. So x stands for the amount invested in the first type of bond is rupees 15,000. Therefore, amount invested in the first type of bond, rupees x value 15,000. Whereas amount invested in the second type of bond, rupees 30,000 minus x. 30,000 minus x value 15,000. That equals rupees 15,000. Exactly divide marking. Okay. So now first type of bond or 15,000 deposit ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, second type of bond ಅಲ್ಲಿ 15,000 deposit ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ annual total interest ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 1800 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So 15,000 first type of bond ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the rate of interest 5%. Second type of bond ಅಲ್ಲಿ 15,000 ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ rate of interest 7%. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ annual total amount ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1800. Okay. Similarly, second one, same concept, but amount is here 2,000. Now second question is same concept, x into 30,000 minus x into 5% 5 by 100, 7% 7 by 100 is equal to total annual amount is 2,000. Right? Then multiply those two, that is x into 5 by 100 is 5x by 100 plus 30,000 minus x into 7 by 100 is equal to 2,000. Then simplify, LCM is 100, 5x plus 2,10,000, okay, minus 7x divided by 100 is equal to 2,000. Then cross multiply. This implies 2,10,000 minus 5x minus 7x minus 2x is equal to cross multiply 2 lakh. Okay, therefore minus 2x is equal to 2 lakh minus 2,10,000 implies minus 2x is equal to minus 10,000 divided by minus 2, x is equal to 5,000. X stands for amount invested in first type of bond. Therefore, amount invested in the first type of bond, rupees 5,000. Whereas amount invested in second type of bond and amount invested in the second type of bond, rupees 30,000 minus x value 5,000, that is equal to 25,000. ನೋಡಿ ಈ annual amount of interest ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ 5,000 ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ 25,000 ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ನಮಗೆ 1800 annual total amount interest ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ for first type of bond invested is 15,000, second type of bond by investing is rupees 15,000 exactly divided. Here ಮೊದಲನೇ exact divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Second one for first type of bond amount invested is rupees 5,000, whereas second type of bond is rupees 25,000. Here students, this problem again word problem. The bookshop of a particular school has 10 dozen chemistry book, 8 dozen physics book and 10 dozen economics book. Their selling prices are rupees 80, rupees 60, rupees 40 each respectively. Nori ಒಂದೊಂದು book ಗೆ ಬೆಲೆ for chemistry book for one chemistry book of rupees 80 rupees, for one physics book is rupees 60 and one economics book cost of one economics book rupees 40. Find the total amount the bookshop will receive from selling all the books using matrix algebra. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ by using matrix algebra. Look here, how to solve? There are three types of books. Let A is the matrix. What are the books? First book is chemistry book, that is C stands for chemistry, P stands for physics, E stands for economics. Okay. Then B stands for each book of rupees 80 rupees for chemistry book, rupees 60 for physics book and rupees 40 for economics. Okay. Now chemistry book, how many dozens? 10 dozen. As you know that for 1 dozen is 12 books. For 1 dozen equal 12. 10 dozen, that is 10 into 12. Then how many dozen physics books? 8. For 1 dozen 12. 8 dozen, that is 8 into 12. Economics books 10 into 12. Right? So that is A is equal to total number of chemistry books is 120. Total number of physics books 12 grades are 96 and I will here 1. Okay. Now using matrix algebra to find the total amount. Therefore A into B is equal to A matrix 120 96 120 into B rupees 80 60 40. Then multiply those two. How to multiply? Row by column. Okay, now that is equal to 120 into 8, 12 8s are 96, that is 9600 plus 96 into 60, 6 6 are 36, carry 3, 6 9s are 54 plus 3 57, 5760. Then 120 into 40, that is 4800. That is equal to rupees. Total amount is 000. 0 plus 6 6, then 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 6 21, carry 2, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 9 20. That is total amount. Find the total amount the bookshop will receive. Total amount he will receive 20,160 for all books. Here students, that is 3 mark questions. Okay, problems based on the definition of transpose of a matrix. As you know the definition of transpose, by interchanging the rows and columns, that is known as transpose of a matrix. In general, if A is a matrix of order m cross n, then A dash or A transpose is a matrix of order interchange n cross n. Based on the transpose of matrix, now problem number 33. If A is a matrix consisting of 2 rows 3 columns and B is a matrix consisting of 2 rows 3 columns. A is the matrix 3 row 3 2 4 2 0 and B be a matrix again 2 rows 3 matrix 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. Now the question, verify that transpose of A is equal to given matrix A. Second one, transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. Third one, K into B means transpose of K into B is equal to K into transpose of B, where K is real number, that is constant. Okay. Now to verify one by one, first one, transpose of A. Now first to find A dash. A dash is equal to transpose. Definition of transpose: interchanging the rows and columns. In first row, what are the numbers? 3 root 3 2. Write in first column. Interchange the second row 4 2 0. Write in second column. This is A dash. Once again, by taking its transpose, but either transpose to write. Either transpose to again once again by definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. In first row 3 4, write in first column. Second row 2 3 2, write in second column. Third row 2 0, write in third column. Therefore, transpose of A is equal to, this is the method given matrix A. Remember, 2 times transpose ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ matrix ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Whereas second one, verify that transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. Now first to find A plus B. Clearly both the matrices having same order, isn't it? By adding the corresponding elements, 3 plus 2, that is 5, root 3 minus 1, right? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 2 4, 0 plus 4 4. This is A plus B. Now take LHS. Transpose of A plus B. Again A plus B solve ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Definition of transpose: interchanging the rows and columns. In first row, what are the elements? 5 root 3 minus 1 4. Write in first column 5 root 3 minus 1 4. Second row 5 4 4. Write in second column. Call it as equation 1. This is LHS. Then take RHS. A dash plus B dash. A is the matrix. What is A dash? A dash means transpose of matrix. Definition of transpose: interchange the rows and columns. First row 3 4, right? Second row root 3 2. Third row 2 0. Plus similarly B dash. B is the matrix. Now transpose of that matrix. First row, first column 2 minus 1 2. Second column 1 2 4. Interchange the rows and columns. Both the matrices having same order. Now definition of addition of two matrices. Add the corresponding elements. 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 1 5, root 3 plus or minus 1, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 4, 0 plus 4 4. Equation. Observe it. Are they same? Both equations? Yes. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS? Transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. Okay? Whereas third one, verify that transpose of K into B. Now first to find K into B. K into, what is B matrix? Minus 4, 1, minus 5. Right? Minus 4, 1, sorry, here. B matrix is 2 minus 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 4. Okay? Now by definition of scalar multiplication, K into B is equal to, by definition of scalar multiplication, multiply each element by constant value K into 2, 2K, K into minus 1, minus K into 2, 2K again, then K into 1K, 2K, K into 4, 4K. This is K into. Now the question, transpose of K into B. Therefore, transpose of K into B is equal to, this is K into B. It's transpose, definition of transpose. Interchanging the rows and columns. In first order elements, 2K minus K, 2K. Write in first column, 2K minus K, 2K. Second row, K, 2K, 4K. Write in second column, K, 2K, 4. This is transpose of K. That is equal to, among those elements, totally 6 elements, what is common value? Common value is K. Take K outside. 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 2, 4. That is K into. This is nothing but what? B dash matrix. Is it right? So this is nothing but B dash. Therefore, K into B dash is equal to K into B dash. Transpose of K into B is equal to constant into transpose of B. Dear students, very simple based on the definition of transpose of matrix. Similarly, next 34th question. If A and B are two matrices having same order, verify that transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. First one. Now first to find A plus B matrix. A matrix, B matrix, adding the corresponding elements. Minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, right? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 5, minus 2. Second line. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Third line. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 1. This is A plus B. Now take LHS. Transpose of A plus B is equal to, definition of transpose by interchanging the rows and columns. In first row, what are the elements? Minus 5, 3, minus 2. Write in first column. Right? Second row 6, 9, 9. Write in second column. Third row minus 1, 4, 2. Write in third column. Minus 1, 4. This is LHS for all representation. Then take RHS. What is RHS? A dash plus B dash is equal. What is A dash? A is the matrix. A dash means transpose. Interchanging the rows and column. In first row elements are minus 1, 2, 3. Write in first column. Second row 5, 7, 9. Write in second column. Third row minus 2, 1, 1. Write in third column. Plus B dash. B is the matrix. It's transpose. In first row minus 4, 1, minus 5. Write in first column. Second row 1, 2, 0. Write in second column. Third row 1, 3, 1. Write in third column. Add these two matrices. Adding the corresponding elements because both the matrices are in same order. So that by adding the corresponding elements, minus 1 plus of minus 4. That is minus 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 plus 2, 9. 1 plus 3, 4. Then 3 plus of minus 5, minus 2. 9 plus 0, 9. 1 plus 1, 2. Called as equation. Verify equation 1 and 2 are the same? Yes. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that we conclude that LHS equal to RHS, that is transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A into plus transpose of B. Similarly, second one, subtraction. Same concept. First to find A minus B. What is A matrix? Minus 1, 2, 3. 5, 7, 9. Minus 2, 1, 1. Minus B matrix. Minus 4, 1, minus 5. 1, 2, 0. 1, 3, 1. Subtracting the corresponding elements. Minus 1 minus of minus 4 plus 4, that is 3. 2 minus 1, that is 1. 3 minus of minus 5 plus 5, that is 8. 5 minus 1, 4. 7 minus 2, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Now take LHS. Transpose of A minus B is equal to, definition of transpose, interchecking the rows and columns. In first row 318, write in first column. Second row 459, write in second column. Third row minus 3 minus 2, 0, write in third column. Call it as equation 1. You call it as equation 1. Then take RHS. What is RHS? A dash minus B dash. A dash value minus 1, 5 minus 2, 2, 7, 1, 3, 9, 1. This is A dash. Minus B dash minus 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, minus 5, 0, 1. This is B dash. Then subtracting the corresponding elements, that is equal to minus 1 minus of minus 4 plus 4, that is 3. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Second line, 2 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. 1 minus 3 minus 2. 3 minus of minus 5 plus 5, that is 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. For this equation, verify from equation 1 and 2, all the elements are same. Yes. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that we conclude that LHS equal to RHS, that is transpose of A minus B is equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. Very simple question. Clear, students? So first one, transpose of A plus B equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. Second one, transpose of A minus B equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. Okay? Next problem, problem number 35. If A dash is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix minus 2, 3, 1, and B is the matrix 2 cross 2 minus 1, 0, 1. Find transpose of A plus 2B. Here A dash is given, transpose of A is given. Now first to find the matrix A. How to calculate matrix A? You know that A can be written as transpose of A. This motto में transpose तो it will become given data A in previous example, isn't it? So A dash is given. What is its transpose? Interchanging the rows and columns. Minus 2, 3 first column. Second column 1, 2. B matrix as this, we got A matrix. Therefore, first to find A plus 2. A matrix minus 2, 1, 3, 2 plus 2 into B matrix minus 1, 0, 1. That equals minus 2, 1, 3, 2 as it is. Second matrix, by scalar multiplication, multiply each element by 2. That is minus 2, 0, 2, 2 2s are 4. That is equal to, add the corresponding elements, minus 2 plus so minus 2, minus 4. 1 plus 0, that is 1. 3 plus 2, that is 5. 2 plus 4, how much? 6. This is A plus 2. Therefore, the question is, transpose of A plus 2B is equal to A plus 2B is a transpose. Definition of transpose. Interchange the rows and columns. In first row elements minus 4, 1, write in first column. Second row 5, 6, write in second column. That is 5, 6. This is the answer for transpose of A plus 2. Whereas 36th problem, A is the matrix. That is 3 rows, 1 column, minus 1, 4, 3. This is 3 row, 1 column. B is the matrix. 1 row, 3 column. 1 minus 1, 2, 1. Verify that transpose of AB is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A, not transpose of A to transpose of B. Whereas in addition and subtraction, same term. Transpose of A plus B is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. whereas transpose of A minus B is equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. But if you take in product, that will interchange. Transpose of AB is equal to not A dash B dash, that is reverse B dash into A dash. You have to verify LHS is equal to RHS. Now first to find AB matrix. Now product AB. Now here A is a matrix of order 3 cross 1, B is a matrix of order 1 cross 3, then the product AB is a matrix of order 1 vanish, 3 cross 3, 3 rows, 3 columns. Now operate row by column, multiply row by column, 1 into minus 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 1, 1, first row over, second row by first column, minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4, minus 4 into 2 minus 8, minus 4 into 1 minus 4. Okay. Third row by first column, minus 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 1, 3. This is AB matrix. Now take LHS. What is LHS? Transpose of AB. You what is AB matrix? It's transpose. Definition of transpose. Interchanging the rows and columns. In first row, what are the elements? Minus 1, 2, 1. Right in first column. Second row 4 minus 8 minus 4. Right in second column. Okay. Then third row minus 3, 6, 3. Right in third column. This is transpose of AB. Okay. Similarly, take RHS. RHS is a B dash into A dash. B is the matrix 1 cross 3. What is this transpose of a matrix of order 3 cross 3? Interchanging the rows and columns. In first row minus 1, 2, 1. Right in first column minus 1, 2, 1. Then A dash. A is the matrix 3 cross 1. Its transpose is matrix of order 1 cross 3. That is in the first row 1. That is as is. Then minus 4. Then 3. Okay. Interchanging the rows and columns. First row 1. Second row minus 4. Third row 3. That is first column 1. Second column minus 4. Third column 3. Interchanging the rows and columns. Now again multiply these two. This is a matrix of order 3 rows 1 column. That is a matrix of order 1 row 3 column. Then multiply those two. Multiplication. How to multiply? Multiply row by column. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Take second row by first column. 2 into 1 2. 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 2 into 3 6. Third row by first column. 1. 1 into minus 4 minus 4. 1 into 3 3. Called as equation 2. Observe both the equation. Equation 1 and 2 are the same. Obviously true. Clearly, therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that we conclude that LHS equal to RHS. What is LHS? Transpose of AB is equal to transpose of B into transpose of A. Remember, not transpose of A into transpose of B. ನೋಡಿ multiplication ನಲ್ಲಿ A dash into B dash ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Reverse B dash into A dash. ಅದೇ addition and subtraction ನಲ್ಲಿ same term. A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. But AB whole dash is equal to not A dash B dash. That is reverse B dash into A dash. Dear students, based on the definition of transpose of the matrix, these are the problems. Okay, students. So to solve some more problems in next class. Okay. Now, thank you.